So this is an online job for us here. Some Belstaff boots have come in. Lovely Belstaff boot, and it had these little tags here instead of eyelets, and laced across there so you couldn't see any eyelets. But they've started to snap. It has got a zip in the side as well, and these started to snap. So the gentleman said, what can we do? And I said, well, what we'll do is we'll put you some eyelets in, lots of lovely black eyelets, and then speed hooks at the top, and that will sort the job out. So we're here, we're doing bits and bobs. Keep safe, and when it's all over, we shall see you. Hello, we're here at Shoe Healer, and I'd just like to show you these Belstaff boots that we were doing the other day, and don't they look great? Really do. We've put the eyelets in, and we've put speed hooks at the top. They did have the fasteners on the inside, so the laces were actually fastened on little tags up the inside. But we've taken the tags off, and eyelets and speed hooks on the top, and they look like a lovely traditional boot now. These are Belstaff boots, super soft leather, beautiful boots. Just this way of fastening was a little bit not so good, let's say, but a lovely boot, lovely leather.